Go High Level Wizard here, and now I want to walk you through and show you how to set up the AI employee on Go High Level. This is incredible. This is basically all of these AI features for one price, unlimited. But here's the awesome part. Until the end of the year, so until the beginning of 2025, you'll get all of this completely for free. So the time of this video, which is December 3rd, you have the rest of December to use this completely for free. Then after, you'll get billed $97, per sub account or whatnot. But the idea is Go High Level is going to eat all of the costs, and you're going to get all of these features: voice AI, conversation AI, funnel, website AI, content AI, reviews AI, workflow AI, all unlimited for free until the end of the year. Absolutely insane. Let me show you how to set this up. Okay, so you're gonna come right in your agency dashboard. You're gonna click Season of AI, and you're gonna scroll right down here. Once you're here, you can put an affiliate in, okay? And the affiliate just gets 40% of the sub accounts you help sign up. By the way, you're not paying that. Go High Level's paying that. The reason you should sign up with affiliate, because you'll get a bunch of extra stuff. And if you're already going to do this anyway, you might as well use affiliate. So what I recommend is you please use my affiliate link right here. It's this one right here. I'll have it down below so you can copy and paste it. If you do use my affiliate link, I will give you one-on-one help. Okay, I'll give you access to my snapshots, access to my courses, access to my community, access to my live streams, access to literally everything. Okay, one-on-one calls, the whole 9 yards. I will help you, set up AI, set up your Go High Level account, do all of this stuff. And again, you might as well use it. Okay, you can just click enable season AI, and you don't have to do it, but you're going to get so much free stuff out of it. And again, learning all about this stuff sometimes can be tricky. You do have the right person, you will just set it up so much faster. You'll make money faster, and you'll have way less headache and stress. So please, please, please use my link. That would be so awesome. I'd appreciate it so much. Let me just click enable season of AI, and then we are good to go. So now here's the thing. It's per sub account. This is the point I want to make very clear. It's not $97 for the entire agency. It's per sub account you have to pay, but you can mark it up. So this is how you make money. Okay, so first you enable it, and then you are now going to resell this to each sub account. Let me show you how. So you come right into reselling, okay, and you scroll right down here, and you get resell AI employee. So you choose your price, and then it'll show your profit. So right here, let's do 500. Your profit would be 403. We're just going to do 297 because that's a good price. And as you see right here, you can upsell all of your clients on your sub accounts to this exact price. So you'd come right in here, okay, you would just charge, plug in the number you want, it'll show you the high level price, and then you're good. So High Level will take the 97, okay, remember at the end of December, you're getting it all free to now, so this is a great lead magnet. You can show all of your clients, go, hey, guys, use this for free, give it to them for free, and then they'll be hooked on it, and then they'll be charged, but then you dictate the price. So this is how you make money with it. You basically upsell, you raise the price, and then you basically hook it up, and then you click save. And then now what happens is they will then be prompt to use this when they go and see the season of AI in their dashboard, or you can manually go do this. So let me show you how to do that. Do this manually. You'll come right into the sub account, click opt in, and then you'll pick. So you want to charge this sub account, so charge basically the card on there, or charge your agency. So you would pick that, then you would just click next, and then you would go through and then pick this. But here's the thing, that's to do it manually. If you go on their side, so if they are a user of the sub account, it'll look like this. They come right in here, they click this. This is what they will see. So they just click either subscription or pay per use. And by the way, you can configure that in rebilling what you want, but they would click this, and then they would click next, and then basically they plug in their card, and then they're done. So it's very easy, and it'll pop up right here. But if they don't have, access to Go High Level, you should just do that manually, or just ask them. And obviously, talk to them. I'm not saying just randomly upsell them. But that's how you would do it. Those are the two ways. And it's very simple. It'll pop up right there, and you just follow through. And you give this access to as many people as you want. Again, this is incredible because right here, you can make $200 per sub account for all the people you want to plug this in. And again, it's unlimited. And again, you get access to all of these things. So if you have clients that will use all this, I highly recommend you go in and you basically get this all configured now. So when December comes, they're like, oh no, I want this. This is awesome. And then boom, you just made a lot of money. It is an excellent lead magnet. Now that you know that, let me show you how to work all of these. So now we're going to go through these. So let's start with voice AI. So you're going to come to Go High Level. You're going to come right down to settings. You're going to go right to voice agents. You'll be brought to a page that looks like this. You just click create agent, and we're brought to this dashboard. You can literally set these up in 3 minutes or less. It's insanity. It's awesome. So what we're going to do first thing is name it. So we'll call it Declan, you put whatever name you want, you put whatever business name, and then you pick the voice you want. And there's all these different voices, and that's the voice that it will speak in. You have a ton to pick from. Then you pick basically inbound call, which is calls coming in. Soon they will have outbound, which means you can call other people, which is just insane. And then you configure the opening message. This is just, hello, how are you, blah, 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 the first thing it's going to say. So we'll leave that right there. We're going to click next. Okay, and then you're going to have agent goals. So you have two different modes. You can do this mode and then advanced mode. Advanced mode is adding your own prompts and a bunch of other stuff. So details to collect from contact, you can pick name, email, address, contact issue, whatever you want. And then here you can basically trigger a workflow. So once the call is done, does it send them a contract? Whatever you decide there. And then you can do a receive email notification post call to let them know, thank you so much for your call. So you can pick that too, but you pick whatever you want here. But then when you switch to advanced mode, you have all of the prompts. Okay, and you have a couple other things too, like call transfer, trigger or workflow, update contact field, or send SMS because they're more advanced. But this is where you would copy and paste all of the things you'd want to say. So again, do you want it to be funny? Do you want it to be angry? You get what I'm saying? You put whatever you want right there, and then you're good to go. And then you just click next. And then from here, okay, you basically pick the phone number you want to set it up with, which is just inside of GoHighLevel, and then you can set it 24/7. And then all you do is click save. Now, again, with AI Employee, this is all included, so there isn't an upgrade to unlimited. It's just immediately part of it. So we just click save, and you're done. It's that easy. And what's cool, too, is if you want to test these, you can just come right in here. You can configure any of the things that you just went over, so you can always go back and edit them. Then you can basically test it. So you can put in a number here and call. I have a full video on my channel where I go in depth on calling this and talking to it, and it's awesome. You just plug it in, call me, and it will literally test it on your phone live, and you can see how good it is, and it's awesome. It's it's really, really good. So that's all you have to do. You set it up, you test it, you're done. You can now make calls and basically talk to people 24/7, whether that is selling them or customer service. This has just changed sales and customer service forever. Again, on this plan, it's unlimited. Now we're going to move into conversation AI, which is another word for chatbot. Okay, so we're going to come right in here, and you're just going to go right up to conversation AI. So now you have conversation AI 2, which is the V2 version, which is basically the updated version. It's still kind of in beta. I know it says new, but it's still got some bugs to work out as of the time of this video. But we're just going to go through this one because they're very similar. So first is bot settings, okay? So off is completely off. Suggestive is picking prompts to do. Autopilot is just sending whatever kind of messages you want. The way this works is all through the conversations tab. So anything you hook up, it messages through there. So right here, you pick what you want. So we'll do Facebook, Instagram, and it'll message anyone on these platforms. You literally just click those and set it. But if you don't have these connected via the Conversations tab or the Launchpad, it's not going to work because you obviously have to connect your Facebook and Instagram. So make sure you do that. Then down here, you have advanced settings. So your business name. So you just plug in whatever right there. And then you basically have autopilot mode, which is what we just selected here, which is, more intense, more raw, more real. Okay. So you pick the time, how fast you want to respond. I recommend giving a little bit of buffer time. You put it too much too soon, it looks sketch. Maximum bots a message can send. You don't want to just messaging unlimited. Well, with AI Employee, since you have unlimited, might not be a bad idea, but still, you don't want people just going back and forth asking dumb stuff. You kind of want it to end soon. And then right here, basically send bot to sleep when I send send message manually or through a workflow. So this is after a workflow gets triggered, it then will shut it off, which is incredibly handy if you are sending out contracts and a whole bunch of other stuff or connecting to automations. So you first go through that. Ignore this because you're an AI employee. Then you're going to go to bot trial. So bot trial is just where you test, okay? And really, you like to do this last. I mean, you can come in here and play it right now. I'm just going through this way because it's right there, but we're going to come back to this. Bot training is what you're going to need to do first in order to get the bot trial proper. So this is where it pulls the info. So from here, you want to copy and paste links. Okay, you want to add FAQs. You want to add all of your business info. What I recommend too is going into Google Sheets and putting out everything you have and dropping the link right in here and making it on anyone with this link can explore. So this has the right idea of what's going on. Remember, these are only as good as the info you give it. If you don't give it a lot of info, it's going to be trash. AI chatbots cannot message and answer people 24/7 and just sell people all day long without proper info. And I see a lot of people like, oh, the AI chatbot doesn't work. It's like, well, look at what you gave it. You gave it garbage, so it's going to spew garbage. So make sure you configure that. And then configuring intents is just making sure, do you want it to book appointments? And then from there, what calendar do you want? Very simple, very straightforward. Again, I have full, really in-depth videos on all of this on my channel. I'm just showing you the basics of how to set it up if you are curious. So go check those out. But you have this basic info, so don't book an appointment, pause, bot after booking, or trigger a workflow. And once you have basically configured your intents and your bot training all set up, you then would come to bot trial, and then you would ask it all kinds of questions to make sure it's answering, because sometimes you have to go through and you have to tweak stuff so that it properly works. But from there, you're done. You set it up. It'll just message and sell people 24/7. I'm telling you, this is a huge value add. And with AI Employee, you are getting unlimited messaging. Then we have funnel and website AI. So we're going to come right back here. We're going to go back. Okay, we're going to come to sites. Okay, and you'll see right here. So you just come right up to here, and then you click Funnel AI. And this is in beta as the time of this video. It's probably going to be way more advanced later on. But you just click Continue. I'll walk you through it right now. So we put name. We'll do Dave Plumbing. Industry. Plumber. Next. Okay, so I'm looking for a funnel for my plumber, business to generate more leads, and you get more appointments, showcase your service, sell products. So you pick what you want. Content should feel friendly, professional, whatever. So you pick what you want it to look like. So in what way? Because professional is going to be very clean. Conversational is going to be more like a comic, and humorous, so on and so forth. You just want to pick that properly. But then you click generate, okay? And AI will then build your funnel for you. And just a quick note while this is loading, this is only going to get better and better and better. This is the future of everything. I'm telling you right now, AI will be able to build everything. So I recommend that you start learning these tools now, because soon everything will just be automatically built and auto-created. And all you have to do is sell people at that point. And there's so much money in that, because all your time will be brought back to you because AI is doing all of the work. So look at this. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, the fact that I just spewed this out, it's basically like kind of like a template, but this is going to get better. Okay. And the reason I say this is because soon enough, you'll be able to plug in logos and all of these other features, and it will deck out the entire thing very quick. And it's gotten better from what it was. So again, this continues to get better, and it's that simple. You just go and you create it, and it's going to get better. And they're all going to be adding it more for websites where you can do this really in depth and have basically both of them built out. And again, when you plug in your logo, your font, and more prompts, it will build everything out very, very simply. It's going to be like custom values. That's what it's going to be like, on friggin' steroids, on some trend. It's going to be insane. And again, it is possible, okay, to do it pretty good right now, but it's going to get better at the time of this video. So please watch out for that, because that is one of the most valuable features. So now we go into content AI. So let's come back. Let's go to media storage. You can just come right here, okay, and you can build stuff. So you can create an image. So make me a cat, okay. Try example. Let's just do generate. No, it's pick something different. We'll just rock with that. Just showing you the video. This basically just builds you images and copy. It's the same thing as ChatGPT. It really is. So I picked surreal landscape with floating islands. It's not bad. It's basic AI stuff. It just builds you stuff. And then if you come here to, let's go to here. I'll just show you how to use content, the website. And then with here, you just come right in here, okay? You do this, click this, and then you can generate with AI and do all of this AI stuff here. And you can do this on forms anywhere. But again, you might as well just use ChatGPT. It's free. It's really doesn't make that much of a difference. As of now, they might make it better later, but that's basically as simple as that. Now we go to Reviews AI. So we come in here. We go down to Reputation, okay? And you come right to Settings, and you basically turn this on. So what this does is this responds to Google or Facebook reviews. And you come right in here, okay? You basically click auto response. You click what platform you want. So put it, Google, Facebook. Then you basically pick how many stars do you want the response to be. So we do 5. How much do you want to wait? Okay, and we'll see. I like to put 2 minutes or whatnot. You just pick 2 mins, and then a basic footer response. Now, I'm actually going to show you what this looks like in real time so you get an example, because I've done this on the Google Business Profile, and it's actually been very, very helpful. This is my hair salon. We come right here to reviews, and as you see right here, it leaves these awesome responses, and it's all done manually. I used to take a lot of time, even pay the VA to go into message, because I get a lot of reviews on here. Same with Facebook, and it was like, oh my gosh, this takes forever. Now it does it all by itself, and again, everything I just showed you, you just go through this one thing, you set up, and you're good to go. And obviously, I will say, you want to make sure, again, that you're connected via Facebook or Google, and you can do it on the Launchpad. Otherwise, this will not really work. But that is how simple it is. You just turn it on, and you're done. And then all of your reviews get answered. I mean, it saves so much time. Last in the group, we have Workflow AI. So you're going to come right down to Automations. You're going to click Create Workflow, start from scratch, and we're going to show you how to use this. So you come right here, okay? And you basically just ask it stuff. So describe the workflow or assist with building. So give me a automation that sends email out after booked call. So I'm just throwing in anything. You can throw whatever you want. Okay, add it. Basically right here you have instructions. So the thing is I'm going to be honest with you guys. It's not that great right now. Like it's good. It's not as impressive as like the AI voice agents and the AI chatbots are insane. And again, I am not trying to diminish this at all. I think I'm the only one that's really being honest, because some of this stuff just isn't up to snuff right now. It will be. These two, the AI chatbots and voice agents, are amazing. Same with the reviews AI. I would say these 3 are absolutely amazing. It's just, you can use ChatGPT to do that at that point. Or watch a YouTube video. It's still not where it needs to be, and it won't build it for you necessarily. So again, I'm just being so brutally honest with you, because I don't want you getting in and thinking it's going to do everything it's not. But it is good. These 3 are worth it. I mean, Reviews AI has saved me so much time. Voice AI and Conversation AI has blown my mind. I've made so many dollars using those. So again, there's so much to room to improve and grow here. And High Level always does. They always make it better. But say as of right now, the AI employee is 100% worth it because of getting unlimited Voice AI, Conversation AI, and Reviews AI. Those 3, I mean, even 2 of those, it's worth it. So those make it absolutely 100% worth it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I seriously appreciate it. Again, if you do want to use this, you just come right in here to Season AI. Please, I recommend you use my code. Again, you'll get access to me, one-on-one support, snapshots, trainings, everything. So again, please, it would really make me happy. And this link will be right down below. You can sign it. You literally just do this. You come in here, you copy it, and you just put it right in and click Enable Season AI. Very simple. And then you'll get access to everything. But again, if you have any questions at all, seriously, anything at all, just please drop a comment down below and message me for free on Facebook. I will answer anything. And again, I'm here to help, and this really will change everything. This is such an awesome feature at a high level. But also, it is free until the end of December, so take advantage of it. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. And as always, Go High Level Wizard out.